Hello guys, Singing Toys and More here, and today I have the Sylvester and Tweety animated cuckoo clock. I recently got this from eBay. This is what it looks like. So Sylvester's head's up there. He's got like a hat on, green hat on. The nose was a bit scruffed up, but it's been marked. The mouth, it's got dots on the mouth. It's a very detailed clock. The eyes is his fur. His arms are all around the clock, and his tail's right at the bottom. That's the thing that goes back and forth on the clock. His tail's at the bottom of the clock, basically. It's also got Granny and the bulldog. I can't exactly remember its name. There's Tweety on the clock. There's the hands. There's got a trimmy button, light sensor, night sensor, I believe, as well. But yeah, it takes quite a few berries, but yeah, it also says on the front on this part it says Tweety and Sylvester, I believe. Yep. It's got like roses on it, and all that. But yeah, okay, guys. Without further ado, I'll show this to you.
It's Tweety.
Now what is it?
Oh no. Sweet dreams.
Now look what you did.
What's these wings?
I'll show you some more of the activations.
What was that?
Where is that Tweety bird?
I know what I'll do. Surprise, Tweety cat.
Ouch! Oh, suffering succotash.
Too bad.
I'll show you it one more time.
Well, I thought I saw a putty cat.
Suffering succotash.
Come on, chase me. Look out, putty cat.
My head hurts.
He's terrible.
Okay. I'll show you some more close-ups of it. Okay, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Singing Toys and More, and I'm out. Bye!